My name is Nadine and I'm the curator of the Swakopmund Museum, celebrating Heritage Week 2022 with the theme Unity and Diversity. Have you ever wondered why the Swakopmund Museum has dentistry? Because our founder, Dr. Alfons Weber, was actually a dentist. The idea of the Swakopmund Museum presented itself when the Swakopmund municipality held a competition at the end of 1950. The idea was to be innovative and long-lasting, and more importantly, it should cater for the tons of visitors that would come to Swakopmund. Dr. Alfons Weber, the dentist, carefully developed a detailed plan for a local museum. The idea of the museum was based on Dr. Alfons Weber's keen interest in not just stones and minerals, but also all the historical happenings of Namibia. Swakopmund, being ideally located between the desert and the sea, provided another exciting venue for exhibitions. So the building blocks of the Swakopmund Museum were thus created: natural history and historical happenings. The collection process started by requesting memorabilia through newspaper ads and letters. And of course, Dr. Alfons Weber had loads of acquaintances of the farmers because he was a dentist. Soon, loads of things started to flood in. Then Dr. Alfons Weber went on a 3-week vacation to all his friends he had made during his dentistry time. This is the original chair that Dr. Alfons Weber used in traveling to help farmers with their teeth. While he was traveling, helping the farmers, he would do their teeth, and in return, he would actually get objects from them that would later be housed at the Swakopmund Museum. They were so happy to give him many objects. But the problem was, he was in the north of Namibia and he had no car. So with all these objects, he had to travel back to Swakop by train. In an effort to raise funds, he even played the circus director in a theatre play. On 17 December 1951, the doors of the Swakopmund Museum finally opened. But not in the location that you are used to. The first museum opened in the backyard of Dr. Alfons Weber's house, in a little shed. But soon, 10 years later, the objects got so much that we finally got this building where the Swakopmund Museum is today.